that have schools making plans for the 2018-2019 school year to better support and protect their students. In Union County, here locally, the district has already seen benefits to hiring additional mental health therapists and counselors. NBC Charlotte's Rachel Lundberg sat down with their superintendent today to discuss those changes.
The National Counseling Association recommends a ratio between counselor and students of 270 students to 1 counselor. Here in Union County, the largest elementary school has about 900 students to 1 counselor. And in the largest high school, 472 students to 1 counselor.
That is beyond what some would call to be shortchanging what we have for our kids.
I sat down with Union County Superintendent Andrew Houlihan to discuss the gap in mental health therapists in schools.
There are signs that our kids are telling us that often I wonder, are we doing all that we can to address those signs?
He says that these resources in schools have been a hole for decades.
This past year, we reallocated funding to go to 6 of our neediest schools.
In this funding, they hired dedicated social workers and mental health therapists for each school.
And our principals of these 6 schools have said, of all the things that we're doing to help these schools get better, that is the #1 benefit that they've seen.
Schools and courts see the benefit. Melissa Owen, a local attorney, works with juvenile cases where the court focuses on counseling provided by parents and the schools.
What the hope is to be putting safeguards in place to try and help these teens, and that can be done through counseling, education, support from families and schools.
What we're trying to figure out is a plan to put mental health therapists and additional social workers into all of our schools, or at least into every cluster, so that kids have access to people that are professionals to help them in times of crisis.
The superintendent told me his main focus heading into the 2018-2019 school year budget will be in hiring more counselors and mental health therapists. I also reached out to CMS, and they said that they too plan to request new positions in mental health. Reporting in Union County, I'm Rachel Lundberg for NBC Charlotte.